sweethearts, and welcome back to my channel and this month's unboxing of Glossy Box. I did receive this box when I was in Japan and I've been able to just now sit down and actually open this box. The theme is Welcome to the Glossy Circus and the box is beautiful. This makes me think of that circus themed like music video that Britney had back in the days. Am I really showing how old I am now? But it makes me think of that. I did film this look, by the way. If it's up, I'll put it down below, but I actually think that this video is coming up before that, so just know that I did film this one. I do receive Glossy Box as PR, but this video is not sponsored. They send me a box every month. They were gonna do it for 3 months, but they still keep doing it, so I don't really know what's up with that, but I didn't pay for this box and I do have a code with them that will save you 20% on this Swedish Glossy Box. It is not affiliated though. I do not make any money either off that code or this video. I'm just being sent these as PR. Glossy Box is a Swedish company and that is pretty cool actually because they are available in a bunch of different countries and I will leave their website down below where you can check if it's available in your country. So the box that I'm showing you is the Swedish box and I don't really know if it's the same items in other countries as well, but just see this as a kind of a view into what things you get in the Swedish subscription box. And if you are from Sweden, of course you can use my code to save 20% if you want to start a subscription service. I've actually been quite happy with Glossy Box and I've actually used one thing. I even have it out here. Like, I've used this Laritzi Cosmetics, like the bronze stick. I've used this a lot. I think it's really good. We got this in last month's Glossy Box. I think this is really good. I've been using it a lot. So let's open this box. You get a magazine in Sweden as well, the Glossy magazine. Beauty Circus, that is the name of the theme. So let's open this and we can see, oh, look at this. The inside is so beautiful. Her life was a circus, so she decided to enjoy the ride. Good quote. Beauty Circus. It is a pink wrapper and a blue ribbon with pink stars on it. This is so pretty. You know I love the combo of blue and pink, so not sad about this. And there's a little sticker. Ooh. This seems promising. Glossy Box is 5 products every month, either deluxe sizes or full sizes. I will say that I have gotten a lot of full sizes and sometimes you get an extra. Sometimes you get an extra, which is pretty cool. It could be like tampons or a snack or a deluxe sample or something like that. This seems to be 5 products and oh, they're also making some commercial for the advent calendar that they're having. It actually seems pretty cool. The advent calendar of Glossy Box. I've heard that it's actually really good and I don't know if you have it in other countries but Sweden, but I've heard some people say that it's pretty cool. So let's start with, I'm gonna sneak peek and see which one we're gonna start with. Let's start with this one. This is Eucerin. Eucerin. How do we say it in Sweden? Eucerin. Is that how we say it? It's an aqua for soothing skin balm. Clinically proven to help support skin's own regeneration process for very dry or even cracked skin. That's cool. I don't think that this is a face cream. I think this is like an all-over balm. This supports the renewal process in the skin, clinically proven. It will soothe and protect very dry or even cracked and irritated skin. Wow, it will protect the skin with a protecting barrier that will allow the skin to breathe. Clinically proven skin friendly, I don't know what that means, does not clog up pores, it doesn't have perfume, preservatives or coloring, added coloring. Mild enough to be able to use on infants. Excellent to be used and on lips as well. So this is even approved to be used on like infants and lips. This is nice. This is nice. You know when you get those like cracked elbows, like really dry elbows, or if you get like cracked heels or like cracked lips, because Sweden gets so cold during winter. We get -30 sometimes here, Celsius. That's, it gets really cool here. You know what, this is cool. I'm gonna keep this. Both me and my fiance now can use this. I think this is cool. Is this a full size? 40 grams, and this is, oh, so this is a full size. So a full size is about $10, so we got a full size. I think that is pretty cool. That is pretty cool. Let's see if I can put that one back here. I got a gift certificate for a makeup mirror. Oh yeah, I got almost 50% off if I want to buy a makeup mirror from makeupmirror.com. Huh. It's viable on the model Naomi. That is cool. Pretty cool that they're giving you something like this. The code is Glossy Box, by the way. Can you see that? The code is just Glossy Box if you want to order a Naomi mirror. Giving you the code. This seems to be... Why does it seem like... Is this from the... These little worms, the pink worms, they're giving so much dust. I don't know if it's like dust from the worms or if it's like something's broken. This is the Douce Max Lash Volumizer Mascara. Mascara for maximized volume and length. Okay, so this is a deluxe size, and the original product, it's like $15-17. Ooh, I do like a brush like this. You know what? I love a brush like this. A really fat brush. You know what? I'm gonna put that in the use soon box. It's right here. Let me see. We got a necklace. So yeah, you don't only get like makeup products, sometimes you get other things. Oh yeah, I got a code with Mad Lady as well. This is from Mad Lady. Can you see the code if you want to get 20% on Mad Lady? So this is a necklace. So this is one of the things. Let me see how this looks. I'm not like a necklace person per se, but maybe I have a friend who could be. This isn't really the kind of necklace that I would wear, but I think this is like a choker. Because it seems very... Yeah, it's like... I mean, that is pretty cool. It's not like... So it's like a choker with some... I mean, I'm not hating that. That's pretty cool. It's not really my type of thing because I don't use that much necklaces, but... It's a pretty cool necklace, and I could definitely give this to a friend. I have a lot of friends who love wearing necklaces, and it's cool that you get it like a choker necklace in a box like this. I think that's pretty cool. It is 129 crowns, so it's like just like $11-12 or something, so that's pretty cool. And then you get a Steve Laurent lip gloss in red. Red. I have been craving red lips lately, and I still haven't worn it. I need to wear that like yesterday. Like yesterday. Ooh, this is like an orangey red, and I love an orangey red. Ooh, this smells lovely. It's very pigmented. That's a pretty color. I really like that. I am the only person alive who likes orange lips. But I really like orange lips. This is a orangey red lipstick, so I don't really like a red dress. I was thinking like Lady Red, more like a Christmassy red color, but this is a more of a orangey red color, but I love that. I think this is beautiful. It goes with this look. I'm looking at the viewfinder. This is looking fierce. This was nice. How much is this? This is, ooh, that's expensive though. 200 crowns. That's like, what is that, like $15, $17? Isn't that the price of an Anastasia lip gloss? Am I the only one who feels like that was... Sometimes, like, the brands that are in these boxes, you're like... No, like, is anyone buying products at that price? I mean, this was nice. It smelled nice. It feels nice. Would I pay that amount of money for it? For a brand I've never heard of? Not really. Not really, I'll be honest. And the third thing is from Trifle Cosmetics. It is the Praline palette. This is 200 crowns. So this is like $15-17 for a little palette. It has the cruelty-free bunny on the back. It's a playful palette of 6 intense multifunctional eyeshadows that can be used wet or dry. How do you open this? Oh, here. Okay, so it feels... It's like a plasticky, very flimsy packaging, but I'm loving the artwork. It's like little ice creams on the front. That's very cute. Ugh. This seems like something from the this discount pile. I don't know. And there's a sponge tip applicator in this. How do you pick something up here? Okay, so they don't feel that bad, but they don't feel amazing either. I don't know about this. Yeah, no. Can people stop with these cheap plastic... That's no for me. But yeah, that's what happens sometimes. You get... Who do I dislike enough so that I can give them this palette? Like... Who of my friends deserves to be handed something like this? Yeah, I don't know about that one. But yeah, that was everything for this this box. Did I have anything to read? Usually we get a little... Oh, here it is! I'm stupid. Beauty Circus. Välkommen till Glossy Box skönhetscirkus. Tag plats på scen. Ta ut svängarna, förnya eller förstärk din egen stil. Var klassisk, lekfull eller utmanande. Med månadens box gör vi allt för att du ska bli stjärnan i din egen föreställning. That's cliché. I vår cirkus får alla möjligheten att leva ut sina beautydrömmar. Så vem du än är eller vill vara, scenen är din. Stay glossy. This was very cliché. Welcome to the Glossy Box Beauty Circus. Take your place on stage. Really go for it. You can be classic, you can be playful, you can be sexy. With this month's box, we will do everything for you to be the star of your own show. Very cliche. In our circus, everybody has the opportunity to live their beauty dreams. So whoever you are or want to be, the stage is yours. The thing is that this sounds splendid and all, but this doesn't really live up to whoever I want to be. The stage is yours. But this one though? No. I love that they have themes, but I can't help but thinking that there is more that could be done with the theme than it is. There could have been a glitter in here. That would have been with the theme instead of the mascara. That would have been so cool with the circus theme. This wasn't my favorite box. I'm really excited about this one though, because I do get some like really dry spots during winter, so I am excited about that. The lipstick is beautiful. This is a pretty lipstick, a lip gloss. Mascara seemed fine. I love the brush. Never heard of the brand. The palette is utter trash. I'm sorry, that is not a good palette. necklace could be nice if it's your style, although I feel like accessories can be very personal, like what you like and what you don't like. It's a good gift though. I'm gonna give it to someone. Maybe I'll give it to my mom as an extra Christmas gift or something. Would she wear that? Maybe not. Maybe I'll give it to a friend. Maybe I'll give it to my boss. Maybe she'd like it. That's not the worst idea I've had today. Maybe she'd like it. So yeah, I think that was everything. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you were subscribed to any boxes. What was the best thing you got in the subscription box this month? I'm super excited to try this one because I know we're gonna need it. But yeah, let me know. What did you get? What did you get that you thought was trash? Did you get this box? What did you think about the palette? Would you pay 200 crowns for that? I feel like they should pay me 200 crowns if I'm to use that one. I'll be honest with you. But yeah, let's hope that next month has even more goodies. I have been getting some good things in Glossy Box though that I am continuously using, so I'm excited about that. Don't forget to subscribe. I will have a new video up tomorrow. There's a lot of videos coming right now from me, so don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss them, and I will see you tomorrow for a new video. Bye!